How to wax at home safely. Smooth skin in minutes. Struggling with unwanted hair? Skip the salon and learn how to wax at home safely. In just 2.5 minutes, I'll show you step-by-step how to get smooth, hair-free skin without the pain and mistakes. Wash the area with warm water and mild soap. Dry completely. Hair should be about 1 to 4 inch long, small enough for the wax to grab, big enough to remove. Tip: dust lightly with baby powder to absorb moisture and reduce skin irritation. Warm your wax until it's smooth and spreadable, not too hot. Always test on your wrist first. Hard wax is best for sensitive areas like bikini or underarms, while soft wax works for arms and legs. Use a spatula to spread wax in the direction of hair growth. For soft wax, place a strip on top and press firmly. Hard wax can be pulled off directly after it hardens. Tip: work in small sections. It's faster and less painful. Hold your skin tight. Pull the strip quickly against hair growth, staying close to the skin. Don't pull upward. It hurts more and can break the hair. Repeat in sections until all hair is gone. Clean off leftover wax with baby oil or post-wax wipes. Soothe skin with aloe vera or a gentle lotion. Avoid hot showers, tight clothes, or sweating for 24 hours to prevent irritation. Start with legs or arms before sensitive areas. Wax every 3 to 4 weeks for best results. Relax and take deep breaths. It reduces pain. Smooth skin at home is totally possible. Follow these steps and enjoy weeks of confidence without stepping foot in a salon.